This is so good. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what it's like to visit the original farmers market here in LA. Now, the original farmers market is located at 3rd and Fairfax and is right next to the Grove, which is a really beautiful outdoor mall. The original farmers market is one of those really iconic places to visit in LA. It was actually founded in 1934 when a dozen farmers actually came together and started this farmers market here in this location. So the market today houses a bunch of different places where you can get food, snacks, drinks. You can do your grocery shopping and get your produce. So there's a lot to see here. Let's go check it out. Ooh, so that's where I want to go later. So excited. Our first stop here at the farmers market is we decided to get some coffee. Coffee first. For people who follow my channel, you already know, but we decided to stop at Bob's Donuts first. I'm so excited. They make their donuts fresh daily. There's never day old donuts here. Yeah, so I need this. So hopefully I'll be a little bit more energetic as the time goes on. I'm really excited to show you what we got here. We did come here a little bit early, so not all of the food stalls are open yet. So that's just something to keep in mind when you come here. It's best to come here early in the morning if you are coming here for the fresh produce and all that, because you do get your pick of the selection. But right now it's really nice to be here because there's not that many people, just a few people grabbing their donuts and coffee. So it feels a lot more chilled than if you come here on a weekend where it's super packed and crowded. Yeah, so I would just recommend if you're not trying to go to like all the food stalls and you're trying to avoid the crowds, to come earlier in the day. But yeah, I'm excited to show you what we got. All right, so this is the blueberry. This is the cinnamon roll. Wow, this looks so good. got the samosa beef and then also the veggie. Steaming. Oh man, these are nice and hot. Lots of tables to sit at, but on the weekends though, all of this is completely filled. The empanadas were a perfect snack on the go. The last thing on the list is I want to get a waffle shot, which is a coffee cup that is actually made out of a waffle cone. So let's do this. Is so cute. I'm so excited to try this. It's been on my list for a while. So this is in a little waffle cup. So I got the cookies and cream one. My dad got the bittersweet, and then he got an espresso shot. And then mine is a little vanilla latte. Alright, we're gonna try this. Ooh, this is good. Because you get the cookies and the cream on the side. This is really good, you guys. I definitely recommend getting this. It's a little expensive for the coffee for the amount that you get, but you're getting a waffle cone and then all the chocolate inside. The whole waffle is like layered in chocolate, which is how it keeps its shape. This is so good. Alright guys, well I think that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave a link in the description box to the original farmers market website so you can find out more information, and I'll also leave a link to the travel guide that I have on my website. So make sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!